What's up, you beautiful people? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back, welcome back. शुरुआत करना चाहूँगा मैं एक चीज के साथ. बेसिकली अगर आपकी टीम एक पेनल्टी मिस करे, वो भी आपका स्टार प्लेयर अगर मिस करे, then तुम इमेजिन कर सकते हो हम फैंस का वी आर नॉट जस्ट हार्ट ब्रोकन, बट जो मीम्स बनते हैं सोशल मीडिया पे, जो कुछ भी देख लो, रेडिट हो गया, ट्विटर हो गया, यू कैन सी अ लॉट ऑफ मीम्स. और विनीशियस ये कैसे कर सकता? एंड we Madrid fans expect a lot from our team, yaar. But penalty miss कैसे हो गई, क्यों हो गई? Let's get into nitty-gritties of this match. Chalo, let's start on with the key moments.
So again, it is Real Madrid, this is La Liga, and it is a title race. Now usually a title race is when two teams are very neck to neck and तुम बस उसके ऊपर pressure डाले जा रहे हो, which usually Liverpool used to do really well to City. Over here, Real Madrid finally got an opportunity. Barca continuously dominate कर रहा था teams को, but finally after playing I don't know what 4 matches and 10 games, they were exhausted AF. And वो लोग ने कर दिया bottle. They drew a match.
Yeah.
Madrid had the chance, captivate. वो लोग एक 18th place Valencia से खेल रहे थे. Should have been an easy deal,
yes,
right?
Yes.
No.
But it wasn't the case because Valencia played really well, okay? Starting on with the match, जहाँ पे पहला opportunity मिलता है, Mbappe, start करते हैं Mbappe से. So he was constantly trying to do something, create some sort of magic, and it is highly appreciable. But secondly, जब हमें penalty मिलती है, Vinicius वो miss कर देता है. No doubt, उसके लिए cope up करने के लिए कहीं ना कहीं in the second half, कहीं ना कहीं cope up करने के लिए he scores a goal, which is great. But स्टोरी में आता ट्विस्ट है, ठीक है, जहां पे हमारे ही एकेडमी का प्लेयर 90+4 मिनट पे आके गेम खत्म कर देता फॉर अस. Yes. So it's kind of a sad thing, yaar. And even after having 70% of possession, what we did, nothing. हमारा XG was also somewhat in 3 point something. But क्या कर लिया? We got nothing out of it.
Their keeper, Valencia's keeper, Mr. Willi, was genuinely very good. But again, I think that is not good enough of a reason. Yeah, तुमको penalty मिला था. And Vinny should not be doing that. And more than that, if Vinny has a loss of confidence, as I don't know, you were saying, Vinny का conversion rate कितना penalty का?
It's around 50% is what I've seen. And this is his second miss in 3 weeks का time frame.
You know what makes it even more hilarious? Online there's a whole analysis on if a team receives a penalty, what is the goal scoring rate of that? And that is around 85 to 89%. So Vinny is downplayed even that. And which is okay. There is a player, he's not going in great form. He was the best player in the team last season. This season 9 chal raha hai. Good. It's okay. You can keep him in the team. You can let him gain confidence. You also have players like Mbappe and Bellingham.
Yeah.
Mbappe has delivered penalties in the biggest stage of the world.
Yes,
World Cup final
yes.
में उसने kill किया. Bellingham is someone who has been Mr. Consistent since joining Real Madrid. कर दो ना यार, फर्क पड़ेगा कुछ.
Yeah, you could have given the penalty to these players also.
Yeah.
I know team wants to support him ताकि उसका morale थोड़ा सा boost हो, but sadly it's not working in his favor. And to be very honest, जहाँ पे ऐसा crunch moment है, I think elite of the elite should come into the picture to be the hero. जो कि in today's scenario it's Mbappe for us. Last year या उससे पहले Vinicius and Benzema were carrying us, but credit where it's due, but at the very moment, in form player कौन है? It's Mbappe, right? So हम stats की बात कर ही रहे थे. I also have some stats to share with you all. जहाँ पे you won't believe 2008 से लेके अब तक हमें वेलेंसिया ने होम पे कभी बीट नहीं किया था. And this year in 2025 we gave them a golden opportunity. बस आओ हमें बीट करो and relegation zone से भी बाहर आ जाओ. And एक और इंटरेस्टिंग स्टार्ट था कि it had been almost 8 months Madrid उनके होम पे हारा नहीं है. ना किसी टीम से हारा वो, बट वो हारा किससे? वेलेंसिया से.
This is genuinely very sad. Now what it has happened is कि अभी Barcelona 4 points clear ahead है. So even if now they bottle one whole match, 0 issues for them. वो लोग still lead में ही रहेंगे.
Yes.
On the other hand, Madrid, I think you remember last video में भी हम लोगों ने discuss किया था. There are 2 Madrids. One जो एकदम top notch best European teams को kill करता है. The other Madrid जो literally bottom half भी नहीं but near close to relegation वाली टीम से beaten up हो जाता है या फिर bare minimum wins निकालता है. For example, the 3-2 win that they had last time, a 4-4 draw they had last time. यार ये तो नहीं चलेगा and this is not how the race will begin. Now let's see what's gonna happen. I feel maybe this was the title decider.
एक मैं बस ऐड करना चाहूँगा कि as you could see our competitors performing really well. Barcelona, they play the most beautiful football, I would say. Look at their passing, look at their pressing. Everything is appreciable. You just can't stop talking about them. And when you compare Barca with Real Madrid, there's a huge difference. Dude, they would be facing Barcelona in Copa del Rey final in few days only. And I am confident that Barca is going to score 2 to 3 goals minimum.
A well-rested
Minimum.
Barcelona is going to potentially kill Madrid.
Easily. So I don't know what Ancelotti plans and how he plans to cope up with all the challenges which we fans could see, as well as everyone, like opponents could also see the weaknesses in the defense line and every other scenario that they are going through. तो मैं बस देखना चाहता हूँ how he manages अभी आर्सेनल को फेस करना, आर्सेनल के अगेंस्ट. व्हाट डू यू थिंक, जीत पाएंगे?
It's gonna be a tough match. We don't know, yaar. Real Madrid are still potentially champions. Arsenal is known to be bottlers. Just on that fact, Madrid might be having a chance. But ideally, the way they played in the last match, अगर वो लोग वैसा खेले तो Arsenal भी kill कर देगा उनको.
So let's see कहाँ जाती है मैड्रिड की टीम.
Absolutely. You tell us, who do you think is going to win La Liga?
Yeah, that's it today from our side. Thank you so much for making us a part of your day. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.